a nice living area here. The kitchen area, quite well lit. A nice cozy master bedroom. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair and today I'm standing in front of a gorgeous property. Like the name suggests, it's called Prestige Lavender Fields by Prestige Group, located in Varthur. Before I give you more details about this project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from different brokers. And since Housey directly connects you with a developer, you can purchase your dream project or your dream home directly with the developer by registering with us with Housey. This gorgeous property by Prestige Group called the Prestige Lavender Fields, like I mentioned, as you enter, you'll see a lot of lavender trees here. At the same time, this property is massive. It's spread across 18.25 acres of land located in Varthur in Bangalore. So right now I'm standing in front of the miniature model of the Prestige Lavender Fields. As the name rightly suggests, it's filled with gorgeous lavender flowers all across the property. So this property is located in Whitefield close to Sarjapur Road, and this also accommodates about 6 towers. Each of these towers have your ground floor plus 31 or 32 floors. As you can see, it's spread across a very large area. It's quite spacious. It has most of the amenities that you would need, from a swimming pool to ample cars, parking spaces to tennis court to basketball court to a nice gorgeous clubhouse. Even the Whitefield ITPL Tech Park is located very close to this property. As you can see now, you see as you enter, you have all these gorgeous lavender colored trees here. And this property is also located in a very nice area which is filled with a lot of greenery. And this property has 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. And it has all the facilities that you and your family would need. Hi, so today I'm standing right in front of the Prestige Lavender Fields sample flat. Come, let's take a look at the flat. As you can see, as you enter, you have a nice foyer area. And this flat is spread across 1858 square feet. As you enter the foyer area, then you have a nice living area here, which also opens up to a large balcony outside. And then this is good, it's quite spacious. And yeah, we have a nice little garden area out here. And as you move, you have open dining space here, which accommodates about 8 seats also. And then you have a nice cabinet space here, where you can store all your cutlery and items or your dining materials. And now I will take you to the kitchen area. As you can see, it's a nice lovely kitchen area, quite well lit, ventilated, and this opens up to a nice utility area outside, as you can see. And then as we move forward, we have enough storage space here, a lot of cabinets. We have a space for the fridge here. We have a space in the utility area for the dishwasher. And then you have nice cabinets here right above the sink. Accommodates enough utensils and items for the kitchen. As we move forward, I will take you to the first bedroom of Prestige Lavender Fields. I like how cozy it is. It's nicely done up. It has these nice cabinets that it accommodates, pretty large wardrobes actually. See? And then it also opens up to a nice balcony space outside. I think it's not okay. Yep. And then you have your bathroom shower area. You have enough space for cabinet here. You can accommodate your television or a bookshelf here, and then you have enough space to accommodate two bedside tables. Come, let's take a look at the second bedroom. Before we proceed to the second bedroom, we also have a common bathroom area here, as you can see. And then we have the second bedroom. You can use this as your kids' bedroom or your guest bedroom. It's quite well ventilated, quite well lit. It has these nice French windows here with a nice view outside. It accommodates a nice queen size bed, and it accommodates two large wardrobes along with a shelf here. Can be used as a bookshelf or to store the toys, etc. Then you have a cabinet here again for your television or bookshelf. Also accommodates two side tables here. And now let's have a look at the master bedroom. Like I promised, I'm going to show you the master bedroom of the Prestige Lavender Fields 3 BHK model flat. But before that, let me tell you a few details about Housey. Housey will give you an actual 360-degree virtual tour of the project. Housey will give you a location tour of the project. He'll give you a sample flat tour of the project. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing the project. Housey will give you the EMI and down payment options available. And if you like all this and you like the flat so far, in 3 simple clicks by registering with us at Housey, you can book a free site visit or a free site tour of the project. Come, let's have a look at it. This is the nice cozy master bedroom of Prestige Lavender Fields by Prestige Group. So you can see this also opens up to a nice balcony area outside, and this accommodates a nice queen size bed with ample space for two side tables. You can also have a dressing mirror there and have your little items arranged. You have a nice study table here, and you have ample of space for your bookshelf or your TV stand. And this also accommodates two nice large tall wardrobes, as you can see. Yeah, and you have a nicely done up attached bathroom as well. I hope you've liked the sample 3 BHK flat of Prestige Lavender Fields by Prestige Group. If you like this project, you can click on the link below and book a free site visit, or download the e-brochure to understand more details about the project. I hope you like this project so far, and if you want to see more such properties and such beautiful projects, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.